So I just saw a clip of an interview with Sam Altman in which he said, and I'm paraphrasing, we know that some people are using ChatGPT to not think, and some people are using ChatGPT to think more than they ever have before. And you know what? I don't hate that statement. I mean, the second part is clearly hyperbole. But it is true that there are very different ways of using generative AI, and some people, unfortunately, really are using it so that they don't have to think at all. Now, blanket ethical issues with all generative AI use aside for a moment, because I do still think this is an important point to make. There is some distinction between having a large language model do something for you versus having it help you do something. Though part of the problem is that there's quite a spectrum in between those things. And that's where this point comes up. The difference between someone who knows how to do a thing and has the domain knowledge using generative AI to help do that thing versus someone who doesn't know anything about how to do that thing. And this is why I think we have very good reason to be concerned about how students are using generative AI. And I know this isn't a perfect analogy, but you should really learn how to add and subtract before someone teaches you how to use a calculator. Because otherwise, in 20 years, when your friend says they're going to come over to your house in 2 hours, you have to get out a calculator to know that 2 plus 2 means they're coming over at 4 p.m.